My name is Kirby and today we're playing Cars Crushing. Guys, where are you? Guys?
We're dropping the plane! I'm up on the 3, 2, 1! Let's leave her leaving!
What did I do?
What happened if I jump off, guys? What happens if I jump off? Alright, dude!
Brandon, I don't like you. I hate you so much.
We're back to our job now.
Okay, folks, we know we're gonna block him. I thought we're gonna block him because we don't love it. Okay?
This bad police. I am the undercover police. Undercover police. Undercover police. Bro, run. I'm not police too.
La 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 la. I don't like Brandon cause he left me in. Now I have a nickname just for him. His name will be Brandy. I'm in Dean's car. Dean, what did I do? Dean, what did I do? I'm not gonna shout you out. Brandon, I'm not gonna do a shout out to you. Brandon, I'm never gonna do a shout out for you. I won't give a shout out to you, Brandon. No.
Take my car.
I said no. I'm not! Guys, look inside my car. Look, there's nothing.
You are the cocaine, liar.
La 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 la. Everyone can see I'm not delivering anything. And I'm gonna just look at the inside of my car. What? I'm actually officer. There's a law that officers can't destroy everything unless they are allowed to, and you are not allowed to destroy my truck. So technically, you're the one under arrest.
Oh yeah, smart. And I left the game because of that. Guys, what is the service background? Boom, boom. That's what it is.
So, if you see me making a strongest backgrounds video, that is the video after I upload this. So yeah.
Yo, guys.
Bye.